Julius Atuheire, the chairperson of the Bubaare Innovation Platform, shared that the community has earned over 80 million shillings from the milling machine since its installation. However, Atuheire pointed out that inconsistent power supply remains a major challenge to their operations. Local residents have expressed their satisfaction with the machine, noting that it has significantly reduced milling costs and improved access to essential milling services in the area.
So we looked at if we provided this technology, people will add value to their produce, thereby improving their livelihood in terms of securing employment for the people around.
During his visit to the platform, the Executive Director of Uganda Industrial Research Institute, Professor Charles Kwesiga, reaffirmed their commitment to supporting Ugandan innovators working to uplift their communities. The Bubaare Innovation Platform has also ventured into other activities, including a savings and credit scheme, as well as the production of potatoes, climbing beans, sorghum and honey.
Cost has given us jobs. People who do make these clips are able to get jobs.
The community is also involved in packaging red sorghum, maize flour and potato crisps, thus diversifying on their income sources. Dokas Kimono, UBC News.